Itu tadi paparan daripada Datuk Seri Michael, calon BN di DUN N21 Terpadu. Jadi dalam kita berbincang-bincang isu, kita juga memperkenalkan calon-calon lain yang akan bertanding dalam pilihan raya negeri pada kali ini. Jadi apa yang menarik minat saya sepanjang panjang saya
sub sendiri
bukan
saya juga
kita berkongsi minat dalam kita nak research siapa guest kita, bukan stok tau Dr. Sim. Kita bukan stok.
Boleh kata stalker lah.
Stok juga.
Kan, sub minat
Kita
kan.
terjumpa satu video SUPP yang diproduce oleh SUPP, Ibu Pertiwi kita.
Yes.
Dan saya pun lihatlah video ni very nice and kan
sangat menusuk jiwa.
dan menusuk jiwa, dia mempunyai kita panggil message yang cuba disampaikan.
Semua terdapat dalam lagu tu lah.
Lagu tu. Dan yang menarik minat saya adalah Dr. Sim juga feature dalam
dalam lagu tu, video klip lagu tu.
Jadi mungkin Dr. Sim boleh berlakon sikit macam mana dalam video tu.
Macam mana berlakon kan?
We realize that the younger generation they wants to be the different ways of campaigning. The newer alternative media is so important, and because we must make full use of it to send important messages. And that video was produced with one thing in mind, that the Chinese, the Malay, the Dayak all coming together, and in a bus. And the bus is going to leave soon, right? So are we going to come on board, or are you going to stay and left behind?
You know, that's the message.
Yes, that's the message. And we have been living together. We face the same issue. We face the same challenges. We are all Sarawakian, and we want to fight for Sarawak together. I mean, we want to fight for Sarawak autonomy together with Tok Nan. We want to fight for better Sarawak together, because we don't want to get anybody left behind. So likewise, it's so important that message is so important. If we want Sarawak to remain united, and the time is now that we can do that, because the Chief Minister already has first shown us what are the policies that he has done. He even telling us that I am going to share my power with you. I'm going to share my cabinet with you, my right-hand man with you. So now what we need from you is to vote for SUPP, to vote for a Barisan Nasional, Chinese in the Barisan Nasional, so that we can do more for the Chinese in Sarawak, so that otherwise when the bus left, you'll be standing behind and you're not coming back, and you'll be alone, and the longer you wait, you get nothing. Don't be a hero like DAP. They want a hero like DAP, you get zero.
Hero to zero.
Dan dalam video tu juga dia featuring Tok Nan sebenarnya. Tok Nan ada. Tapi untuk kita nak tahu lebih lanjut, kita tunggu sampai ending credit program ni. Jadi Dr. Sim, Tok Nan said that BN Sarawak it works in team. And he described that the team ni like three musketeers. Everything dia saling bantu membantu semua tu. Jadi dalam mahu tak mahu, jika mahu Tok Nan kekal jadi sebagai Ketua Menteri, jadi perlu pilih BN. Jadi bagaimana, how do you see about that?
I think the Chief Minister is very sincere, and he not only campaign on the ground with us, you know, like tonight the ceramah. This is the first time the Chief Minister of Sarawak actually come to SCPP ceramah, and because why? SCPP is one of the 4 component party of BN Sarawak, so it's come to campaign for us, and he also go and campaign all the grounds, all the different component parties, and this what he means by he want to include everybody, trust him. Include everybody, and so we from SCPP as part of Barisan Nasional, we have been a royal partners of Barisan Nasional since 1972, and in fact SCPP is the 5th founding members of Barisan Nasional. BBB is the 4th, right? So we are very early pioneers, and we find that the strength of Barisan Nasional is that we share. We may not get everything we want, but because we help each other, we share together, we work together. That is why we are so strong over the last since 1972.
So
And we're not like DAP and PKR. Pakat, masih gaduh.
yeah,
So like Three Musketeers,
Yeah.
all for one
one
for
for
all.
all.
Yes.
That's right.
Jadi you ada cerita yang nak dikongsi bersama?
Sebab saya, I was like, because quite surprised, okay, come back again to Chinese community, like they all always go for the opposition.
Yes.
And I have friends who is also Chinese but didn't manage to get them get interview, but this is, I'm standing for them, like telling you that they are who are never vote for, you know, for BN, for SUBP maybe, this year will be their first time to support the BNs, the SUBP, because of our Tok Nan. And then second thing, the one who is how to say, never vote and will like make them want to vote, make them want to vote for, as a first timer. So what is your message to everyone outside?
Especially on Chinese community.
Yeah.
And to those that who never vote for Barisan Nasional, to those that who miss out voting the last time, to those that who are still in the middle, because we know that about 18% of the voters undecided yet, please give us a chance. This time is Ting Adnan, and he only asking for 5 years. He needs people who he can work with, people who can support him, people who can help him, people that he can be trusted to be his right-hand man, to be Ting Adnan. This is a time that we make a choice. In life, we will face election, many elections. But sometimes the election is say, oh, whether you vote or not vote, no difference. But this is a time that your voice is so important. Your voice will reinforce that despite all the other pressures, despite all the other unhappiness, this is what we want. This is what Sarawakian wants. This is what the Chinese community in Sarawak wants. And this is what we want to chart our own destiny. Let's don't be poisoned by the party from Pembangkang from West Malaysia. They lies, they tipu, they entertain. Let them be a singers, and they don't contribute anything on the ground substantially.
Dr.
They
Sim,
tengok saja.
Dr. Sim, you can speak in Chinese language.
请大家这一次投阿迪南团队一票，这就是我们的机会，不要失去这个机会。在巴图高湾是讲，请投我一票，给我一次机会，让我们在5年里面表现给你看。请大家5月7号的时候不要太情绪化，记得沙拉越唯一的机会，而不是马来亚的机会。谢谢。
我要 BN.
I tahu yang ujung tu je.
Tu je.
Jadi itu tadi kata-kata yang semangat yang telah diberikan oleh Dr. Sim. Jadi Dr. Sim is a must.
For our program, we need to do selfie.
But you know,
it's a Wi-Fi.
It's a Wi-Fi.
Right.
Yeah. 1, 2, and 3. One more. 1, 2, and 3. One more. Alright.
Very steady hands.
Yeah.
He can be a cardiologist, a surgeon.
She said that my
Dia
hand
dah
like a monopod,
Tripod.
you know. Tripod and monopod, something like that. Dan sebelum ni juga kita setiap episod lain kita juga ada ambil gambar wifi bersama
betul.
dengan kita punya guest.
Tetamu.
Jadi yang ni saya suka part ni.
Apa dia?
Kita nak membawa Dr. Sim kepada segmen Only in Sarawak. Jadi pada hari ini kita
apa yang ingin Sab kongsikan kan?
Saya suka sangat minuman ni.
Seronok je muka nak kongsi.
Dia minuman dia nama dia White Lady. Dr. Sim pernah minum?
Yes.
Di restoran.
My favourite juga.
Your favourite juga.
Yeah,
How
I mean, White Lady. I mean, in Sarawak, I mean, we have a lot of funny things. I mean, instead of foods, instead of the usual ABC, you got the White Ladies. And also, I mean, for me, if you go to my Facebook at Dr. Sim Kui Hian, you know, every week I post my weekly sing, which is Sarawak Laksa. So I must have that. Every week I must have that.
Dah makanan Sarawak Laksa. Jadi kita lihat paparan Only in Sarawak berkaitan dengan White Lady.
Itu dia kegemaran orang ramai kan.
Tersenyum kita orang bertiga tengok
sabar.
air white lady. Amoy cantik katanya.
Itu katanya.
Jadi itulah tadi yang kita berwifi tadi. Ini kita ingin berkongsikan yang ni wifi kita yang episod-episod yang sebelum kita dengan Datuk Seri Fadila, Datuk Idris Buang, dan episod keempat kita bersama dengan Dr. Sim.
Thank you.
Nanti Dr. Sim pun ada dalam tu.
Thank you.
Episod yang akan datang.
Terima kasih.
Okey, jadi Dr. Sim lepas ni kalau Dr. Sim sudah free, kita minum white lady sama-sama.
Memang.
Boleh ya?
Boleh.
Janji,
Janji, boleh.
ya?
Boleh. Dengan salawat laksa.
Dengan salawat laksa, ramai tau.
Okay, kena ramai semua sekali ni.
Yes.
Jadi itu saja.
Itu saja untuk segmen kita pada hari ini dalam Sarawak Arito.
Sarawak Arito, edisi 29 April 2016. Jadi ini yang kita tunggu-tunggu daripada awal rancangan sehingga hujung rancangan. Bagaimana kita nak melihat Dr. Sim berlakon, featuring pula ada Tok Nan dalam tu.
Ya, betul. Jadi kita saksikan.
Satu video yang istimewa. Kita saksikan. Assalamualaikum. Bye.
Setiap langkahku bermula di sisimu,
di mana jiwaku berada, cintaku tiada beza.
A place that we call home, a place where all will belong.
Different faces, different races, together we journey on.
Without you, 在身边, tanpamu tiada kita. Kinilah masa bersatu, 勇敢跨出下一步. Listen to our hearts, untukmu yang tercinta. United we'll go far. Kami orang yang berdaya, 最重要的决定。Ibu Pertiwi kita.
无论飞得多远，依然是我最熟悉的地方。经过一路坎坷绝望，因爱让我们依旧存在。
Without you, 在身边, tanpamu tiada kita. Kinilah masa bersatu, 勇敢跨出下一步. Listen to our hearts, untukmu yang tercinta. United we'll go far. Kami orang yang berdaya, 最重要的决定。Ibu Pertiwi kita. Sarawak tanah airku, negeriku tanah airku Sarawak. Angkatlah tanah pusakaku, tanah tumpah darahku, Ibu Pertiwiku.
Right? Kita masuk. Let's go.
Tim, are we ready to go now?
Yes, let's go.
All right, let's go then.